So here's how to add unsaved number in WhatsApp group. Let's start off in the WhatsApp application. And as you can see, we're now in the chats page. Over here, you can view your chats with friends. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. From here, you can create a new chat, group, contact, community, or a new broadcast on WhatsApp. You can also scroll down to view all your contacts. Tap on New Group. Here, search for and select friends that you want to add to the group. After selecting, tap on Next at the top right corner. Type in a name for your new group over here. And then tap on Create. You have now successfully created a group on WhatsApp. You can add more members to this group or invite them via the group link. Tap on Invite via link. Then select Copy link. Now go back to the chats page. As you can see, there is an unsaved number in your chats list. Open their chat. If you want to add this person to your group, then go to the text bar and paste the group link you just copied. And then tap on the send button beside to share it with them. And that's it. You can now easily add unsaved number in WhatsApp group.